Alright folks, TF2 and Mike here from the GeekCast radio network. It's been a while since I've done a commentary level, but this is level 1100. That's right folks, 1100 levels of Tucker's Snack Attack, and it is a Heck You villain level. I wonder which villain we're going to go up against. It's probably going to be Randall, or might be even Steve, or Bill, or Mr. Turner, who knows. It's Randall O'Ratter, this squirrel guy or whatever. You know, this is the squirrel dude. Why does the squirrel not have a name? I don't understand that. Ouch! Ouch! Whiny squirrel. Never understood why squirrels are so whiny in this game. Ouch! So, folks, it's been 1100 levels. It's been an amazing journey, and I'm not giving up or quitting or anything like that. But, holy crap, 1100 levels. Congratulations to the Tucker's Snack Attack developers team, Doggy Maker Studio, Mr. and Mrs. Linda, and all that good stuff. Tucker, Todd, and the entire Budson family. What am I doing here? Oh, I'm not even going after the right treats, am I? The only thing I wanted to say on this commentary really about the game is that I don't know whatever since the latest update change. I'm on Android, Google Pixel 7 Pro. This is version 2.9.0, I believe. The ads automatically play. I don't like that. I know they were having issues in a previous version about ads just playing at weird times during the games and stuff, but I don't mind if you have an option to choose to watch an ad. But I don't want ads to automatically play. They've never automatically played before. I don't want to catch your nuts, squirrel dude. So that's really my only big complaint, is that the ads will just play. What the? Oh, crap. There we go. Squirrel dude's dead. Well, he's not dead, but whatever. He's defeated. You know what I mean. So yeah, the ads will just, like, right after this, like, as soon as I stop this recording, I might get an ad. That's usually why I stop the recordings right now. Oh, good, it didn't do it. I'm glad it didn't actually do it, but yeah. So that's that, folks. I guess technically I could play this level, but I'm not going to. But that was level 1100. Hope everyone's doing well. It's summertime. I hibernate in the summer. Absolutely love playing the game, as I said. Be sure to check out GeekCastRadio.com for all your podcasting needs from me and my friends, along with Steve Megatron, Optimus Solo, the Comic Concierge. We do movies, comic books, cartoons, video games, TV shows. We talk about all kinds of stuff on our podcasts. Well then, that cough turned into a yawn. Or I should say that yawn turned into a cough. I'm going to get out of here, folks. I will catch you in the next one.